focus from the IT space to the metal space. Hindustan Zinc will be reporting the numbers today. Nigel is here with the key expectations. Nigel, you've been telling us that zinc prices have risen 65% over the last 1 year. So in that respect, is a good set expected for Hindustan Zinc?
Well,
and how much is in the price?
Well, Mangalam, it's going to be quite interesting because they're going to come out with a blockbuster set of numbers. Make no mistake about it. Importantly, will this blockbuster number provide an exiting opportunity? I've seen the stock under pressure in the last few days. That's because base metal prices have come off a tad bit from the recent highs, and even zinc has come off. Now, in terms of the numbers, it's going to be fantastic. Top line, there's going to be huge growth. Just keep your eye out on the versus numbers, because this time around the excise duty will be added to there. So that could be, that should come in higher. The versus number should come in higher by close to around 400 crores approximately. We are going in with the top line of around 5,900 crores approximately. Now, one being the LME prices that you were talking about. Zinc prices have done very well. They're up more than 60% on a year-on-year basis. They also produce lead as well as silver. And both those two as well are up between around 20 to around 30%. So that's what will help the top line. Pricing will help them. In fact, even sales volumes will help them. We already have the production numbers that the company has disclosed. And the zinc volumes over there have come in higher by around 40%. We have lead as well as the saleable steel, both up between around 15 to around 18%. Important to note that one of their mines is the Rampura Agucha mine. That, in fact, is being converted from an open cast mine to an underground mine. Now, that's going to be coming into play here, and that's what will help their volumes. In addition to that, you have an SK mine as well as a Zayad mine. Both of them will, is our mine, in fact, both of them will be helping their silver volumes. So that explains why we're seeing a big surge on the top line. Operating profit as well will look very good because operating leverage really will play out here. We're expecting that number to come in higher by more than 150%. Margins as well should expand to more than 55% approximately. Higher commodity prices, higher volumes, that's going to help them. And in fact, operating costs should stay more or less stable. That's what's leading to the big expansion on the margin front. And finally, the profitability as well will jump up, but not as much as the operating profit. That's because the other income could come in a tad bit lower. Back to you.